Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and sell the tickets you've already purchased back to StubHub? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So, first things first, when can you sell your ticket to StubHub? Is it when you are organizing an event? Yes, that is also true. You can do that as well. But today we're going to be looking at something different. So, if you purchased a ticket to a concert or any event that you're going, but you changed your mind and now you don't want to go there anymore and you want your money back, what you can do is just sell it back to StubHub. So, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your StubHub application, as you can see, and go ahead and log into your account. And finally, on the bottom right hand side, as you can see, there's a sell button right over here. Once you tap on that, it's going to ask you plans changed, sell your tickets now. You can search for the event that you want to sell it back from. So, for example, let me say I want to sell my tickets to Ariana's concert. So, let me just back out real quick. All right, there you go. And now all I want to do is just select the location and the date that I want to sell it back to. And once you do that, they're going to offer you a price and you can just sell it at that. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and